How to install and use Bill Style app. Open My Files. Go to internal storage. Open POS apps. Search for Bill Style. Version 142 APK is there, so select settings, select unknown sources, select OK, select install to install app. Now app is installed. Open app. Permissions OK. Access photos and media allow. Now we can see add items section. Company header can be modified and the bill sequence can be modified. We will first add item section. So this will add a section into if you go to item cell.text, allow, you can see items and this section for group of items. Let's add biscuits, brushes is there. Let's add chairs after brush items. So biscuit, brushes is there. On third place we will add chairs. New category, chairs. Select add. Yes. Now we need to refresh. Come back here. Chairs section is added. And here also let's open item cell.text and we see chairs section is added. Now let's add some items under chairs. Okay, we'll add plastic chair. Item name, select plastic chair. Item rate will put 560 rupees. That will be numbers. Select add. Do you want add? Yes. Refresh. Go to chairs. Plastic chair is added. We can also see if we open item cell.text, which is our menu, plastic chair is added. Now let's add a company header. We will say My Enterprise Stores. Now select update. Yes. Now refresh. Now we can see My Enterprise Stores. Similarly, in our header.text, we see My Enterprise Stores have been added. It's updated actually. Now let's change or update the build sequence header. Instead of starting build from 0, we can start from 22. Update. Select yes. Refresh. Go to build sequence. So 22 is updated. Similarly, in build count.txt, we will see updated. That is how to use build style app. Thank you.